Hello YouTube, this is Emmanuel from Emmanuel Landscape. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up a salt spreader by yourself. So if you're a one-man team, well, not going to say a team, well, your owner operator, that's what it's actually called. I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. Real simple. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get the salt spreader as close as possible to the truck. Trying to do this and hold my phone. I don't got the GoPro with me. We salting again. Oh, picked up me a dirt bike off a Facebook Market. Sorry. So this is a YZ250, 1994. I bought some plastics, as you can see, new plastic here, fender. It comes with the sides, but these sides are pretty fine. I may switch them out. I need to switch this gas tank. The gas tank is the only thing off. So I'm gonna take it to the shop, let them look over it and everything. But let's go back to the salt spreader. So I'm gonna get this as close as possible to the truck. So here we go. Let me pick this. Where can I put this at? Hand caught. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip the salt spreader over. But we want to turn it facing the truck. It's okay, it's plastic. Not gonna hurt nothing. Now, what I do is, I'm going to lean it forward so I can stand it up. Always flip with your legs, not your back. So, just get it closer so y'all can see it. As you can see, it's got this guard right here. This guard is for protection. So don't have to worry about flipping it over. So, this you can hurt something. Flip it over. Normally we have this close to the truck, and I'm trying to have it so y'all can actually see. Flip it over again. Now I just drag it. Right there. Get the camera so y'all can actually see it. Hopefully y'all can see it. As you can see, it's right there. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come from this side. See, it's on the actual brace, so nothing's wrong. I'm gonna hold my arm right here, right here, and I'm just gonna lift up and slide it in. Let me see if I can get something to. Oh. Bad camera skills, huh? Oh, let's do it like this then. set this up. Heck, I'm gonna put it right here. Put it back where it was at. Just want y'all to see. Sorry about this video, but hopefully y'all be able to see everything. So now what I'm doing is I'm gonna lift it up. Legs. There you go. That's it. Simple. Not even that hard. So, let's do an update on the vibrator. Tight, works perfectly fine. As you can see, I pre-drilled these holes, and I got these nuts and bolts even longer. I check them here and there, they tight. Pretty much probably C's doing anyway, so I don't got no problem with that. And why I got them long like this, so if it ever do become loose, hopefully by the time it actually does ready to fall, it's so much thread that I'll notice it here loose, that it won't actually fall. So when you cut it, let's say if it's backing out, you cut it, let's say you cut it right here, so all this is gone, that'll back out. You can mess around, lose your vibrator. On top of that, mess your auger up, because the bolts is going to go inside the auger and the motor of your salt spreader, which, you know, I think having it long right there kind of delay the process. So comment, subscribe, tell me what y'all think. I know this video is kind of shaky because I'm doing it on my phone. I didn't get the GoPro today. We had a storm, and put some salt in here. My next video going to show you how many bags of salt can the TGS, I hate when I gotta say this right, TGS03 holes. SaltDogg salt spreader. I need to write it right here so I can remember it. All right, signing out. Manual Landscape.